I'm Amy Schumer. I'm so grateful and proud to be here with you guys today, and I'm so proud of all of you. We showed up, and we need to stay organized. It is my great honor to bring to the stage my friend, ladies and ladies, introducing Madonna.
Thank you, Amy. I'm just gonna head on over here. Should I stay here? Go over there. Over here. Okay. Hello. Are you still awake out there? Are you sure about that? Can you hear me? Are you ready to shake up the world? Welcome to the revolution of love, to the rebellion, to our refusal as women to accept this new age of tyranny, where not just women are in danger, but all marginalized people, where being uniquely different right now might truly be considered a crime. It took this horrific moment of darkness to wake us the fuck up. It seems as though we had all slipped into a false sense of comfort, that justice would prevail and that good would win in the end. Well, good did not win this election, but good will win in the end. So what today means is that we are far from the end. Today marks the beginning of our story. The revolution starts here. The fight for the right to be free, to be who we are, to be equal. Let's march together through this darkness, and with each step, know that we are not afraid. That we are not alone. That we will not back down. That there is power in our unity, and that no opposing force stands a chance in the face of true solidarity. And to our detractors that insist that this march will never add up to anything, fuck you. Fuck you. It is the beginning of much needed change. Change that will require sacrifice, people. Change that will require many of us to make different choices in our lives. But this is the hallmark of revolution. So, my question to you today is, are you ready? I said, are you ready? Say, yes, we're ready. Say, yes, we're ready. One more time, you're ready. Yes, I'm angry. Yes, I am outraged. Yes, I have thought an awful lot about blowing up the White House. But I know that this won't change anything. We cannot fall into despair. As the poet W.H. Auden once wrote on the eve of World War II, we must love one another or die. I choose love. Are you with me? Say this with me. We choose love. We choose love. We choose love. All right, so this leads me very beautifully into this song that I hope some of you know. Are you ready? Yeah? Please feel free to sing along. It'll keep you warm. It'll make me happy. Come on, girls. Do you believe in love? Because I got something to say about it. And it goes a little something like this. Don't go for second best, baby. Put your love to the test. You got to make him express how he feels. And baby, then you know your love is real. You don't need diamond rings or 18-karat gold. Fancy cars that go very fast, you know they never last. No, no. What you need is a big strong hand to lift you to your higher ground. Make you feel like a queen on the throne. Make you love you till you can't calm down. Don't go for second best, baby. Put your love to the test. You got to make him express how he feels. And baby, then you know your love is real. Long stem roses are the way to your heart, but he needs to start in your head. Satin sheets are very romantic. Happens when you're not in bed. You deserve the best in life, so time isn't right to move on. Second best is never enough. You do much better, baby, on your own. Don't go for second best, baby. Put your love to the test. You know you got to make him express how he feels. And baby, then you know your love is real. Express yourself. You got to make him express himself. Hey, 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 I can't hear you. If you want it right now, better make him show you how. Express what he's got, baby, ready or not. Express yourself so you can respect yourself. Hey, hey. So if you want it right now, better make him show you how. Express what he's got, baby, ready or not. I can't hear you. Express yourself so you can respect yourself. Hey, hey. So if you want it right now, express what he's got, baby, ready or not. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I have one more song, but I'm gonna need a little bit of more audience participation. Can you handle it? Do you have the energy for it? This next song, I can't even say his name. This song is dedicated to the new DT in the White House. Boo. Okay. D could stand for dick. I don't know. Here we go. Are you ready? Put your hands together. Come on, all you people back there. All the way back there. 100 miles back there. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. Yo, bitch, don't hang your shit on me. You wouldn't make me say the words I long to say. You didn't want to see that through my eyes. You tried to shove me back inside your neighborhood. Silence me with pencil-less lies. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know to talk about sex. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know to speak my mind. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. I can't hear you. And I'm not sorry. Not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me. You punish me for telling you my fantasies, breaking all the rules I didn't make. You took my word and made a trap for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know we could talk about sex. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I could speak my mind. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. No, I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me. All right, repeat after me. Here we go. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. One more time. Here we go. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. I said one more time. Here we go. I'm not your bitch. Donald Trump, suck a dick. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on us. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming here today to show your support. Thank you, all of us, for everything you've done along the way throughout the years. You know who you are. This is the beginning, okay? Choose love. Thank you.
My sisters and brothers, can you help me give thanks to our organizers, Bob, Tamika, Carmen, and Linda? You can do better than that. They got us here. Thank you. you.